How to get refund on Hawaii Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video you'll learn how you can get refund on Hawaii Airlines, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to sign in into your Hawaii Airlines account, just like I have done here. And then once you're signed in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. On this page, in order to get a refund, the first thing to do is to cancel the flight that you need to get a refund for. And how do you cancel your flight? Go to the lower part of the screen and click on my trips, and then on this page you'll see all of your trips. Then click on open itinerary for the trip that you'd like to cancel. Then once you click on open itinerary, you'll be taken to the itineraries page where you will see details about this particular trip. Or this trip, check through the page and then look for the cancel flight option. Click on it, and after canceling your flight, after clicking on cancel flights, a list of prompts will be displayed. Follow the prompts and ensure you cancel the flight. After the flight has been cancelled, you can now wait for 3 to 5 days in order to get your refund back in your account. And you must also make sure that none of your tickets, no portion of your ticket has been used. If no portion of your ticket has been used, you are entitled to a refund equal to the fare and charges applicable to the original ticket issued to you. Okay, and then if you still could not get your ticket, if to even you still could not get your refund even after you have cancelled your flight, contact the customer service by moving to the lower right corner of the screen. Click on the more option, and then under the get in touch tab, select any of the options here in order to contact the customer service, and then answers will be provided to the reason why your money has not been refunded. So this is how you can get a refund on Hawaii. Thanks for watching and have a good day.